Okay, here we go with the test of the Rolls-Royce antenna. After repairing the tracking wall on that was worn from years of the tape rubbing against it, and yeah, I mean, we lubricated the gear and got the clutch working and everything. So now we're happy. It's operating very smoothly. Go ahead and let's give it the go. Oh boy, it's a long antenna. Woo! Okay, great. Just very, very fine. We'll follow the tip down, I guess. Boy, that's a long tip. Okay, going back. All right, very happy antenna. And of course, you hear the clutch click. That's normal because this is a semi-automatic antenna and doesn't stop until you take your finger off the switch. So a little clickety-click gives you a warning that it's all the way down. And let's see what else. We've got your original equipment plug on the end. And show where he has those terminals inside. Pull one of them off just to show him. We noticed one of the terminals was stuck in here. And so what we've done is provided you with a couple of female spade lug terminals in case you don't have the dedicated male plug for that, which we assume is the case. So thank you very much. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.